Very good morning once again, all of you. So, beta, now we are going to start with question number 40. In new book, it is question number 70, 2021 edition. In 2020 edition, it is question number 14. The heading of the question is journalize the following transactions in the books of MSRK and Company. ठीक है जी. Entry number 1, date is not given, entries numbers are given. When numbers are given, it means these entries are not related to each other. मतलब ये single entries ही है. सब में आपने according to the question you are supposed to pass the journal entry. First one is purchase goods of list price 20,000 from Vishal at 20% trade discount against check payment. Purchase किया, check payment हुई, trade discount हुआ. So entry number 1, purchase is की entry. Yes, Herman. And amount? Amount was 16,000. Why 16,000? 20,000 का 20% is 4,000 minus करके 16, and it will not be shown. So directly we will pass a journal entry. Purchases account debited to cash is paid to check. Okay. So to bank account will be the journal entry, and amount will be 16,000 and 16,000. Narration will be being goods purchased and मैं लिखी देती हूँ being goods purchased. ऐसे लिखना at the rate 10% TD trade discount. Sorry, 20% trade discount. So like this you can write narration. Entry number 2, purchase goods of list price 20,000 from Naman at 15% trade discount, cash payment. सबको ही आना चाहिए. ये तो अभी करा है, सेम ही एंट्री है. अच्छा बताइए. परचेजेस अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू कैश एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट है. और अमाउंट बताइए. हाउ 20,000 का 15% कितना होता है? 3,000 माइनस किया तो 70. Please sit down. So it will be purchases account debited to cash account and amount be 17,000. Narration same लिख देंगे आप. Being, I am not writing again. Being goods purchased at 15% trade discount. That is the way how you will write. Entry number 3, purchase goods of rupees 30,000 from Amrit and 20% trade discount. आप बताइए बेटे, आप बताइए. ये स्टैंड अप. परचेज करे गुड्स 30,000 के 20% ट्रेड डिस्काउंट पे. एंट्री विल बी कैश. इट इज रिटर्न, इट इज बीइंग पेड. कैश मिल गया आपको. पेमेंट के बारे में लिखा है बेटे. इफ नॉट देन व्हाट वी विल डू. नाम लिखना है ना. तो व्हाट इज द नेम? अमृत अकाउंट. अमाउंट भी बताइए कैलकुलेट करके. परचेजेस अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू अमृत अकाउंट and what is the amount? Amount is 30,000 का to 20%. 6,000 आ गया हमारा डिस्काउंट. माइनस करके we will write 24,000 and narration will be same. So I am not writing, but you are supposed to write. Please sit down. ठीक है. You know the answer, but you just lack confidence. Build it. Next is purchased goods from Hari and Company of list price 40,000 for 35,000 against cash. Anirudh. बेटे here it is not mentioned that it is a cash discount. 40,000 के गुड्स उसने 35 के दिए. It may be written कि वो 50,000 के थे 35 में मिले. So whenever there is a discount at the time of purchase and nothing is mentioned, it is a trade discount, and this trade discount will not be shown in the journal entry. So we will directly pass journal entry for 35,000. ठीक है, जो हमारा नेट अमाउंट हमने पे किया. Please sit down. We will write purchases account debited to cash account. How much? How much? 35,000 debit. Right. Okay. This is another style of giving them trade discount का style है ये. ठीक है, percentage ना देके उन्होंने direct amount दे दिया. So you have to be very clever if it comes in your exam. Please sit down. Written narration is same, being goods purchased. इसमें भी नहीं लिखेंगे. Being goods purchased. We will not mention any discount word here. No. Next entry. Goods purchased from Amrit of list price 10,000 returned. अभी बड़े ध्यान से एक बात सुनिए. जब हमने अमृत से गुड्स लिए थे बेटे, यहाँ पे ट्रेड डिस्काउंट लगा था. तो whenever we will return the goods, we will have to deduct trade discount again. Am I clear? मैं फिर से एक बार बता रही हूँ. For example, आपने 30,000 के गुड्स 20% डिस्काउंट पे 6,000 माइनस करके 24,000 के लिए थे. ठीक है, अब वो कह रहे हैं 10,000 के 10,000 के गुड्स रिटर्न हुए. तो क्या वो बंदा 10,000 लिखेगा? नो. अगर आपने परचेज करने के वक्त कम किए तो 20% अगेन विल बी डिडक्टेड 2,000. What is left? 8,000, and the journal entry will be of 8,000 rupees. Now you can tell Anshul, what is the journal entry for this return? Goods क्या लिखा क्या है? मेरी तो लाइन ही गुम गई. Which entry is it? Fifth. Goods purchased from Amrit. Okay, we have returned it to Amrit. You are right. Please sit down. Amrit account debited. Debit the receiver to purchase का. तो purchase is return account. And amount is 8,000 rupees. Absolutely correct answer. Next, as a narration आपको आती है being purchases returned. Next बेटे, entry number 6 is sold goods to Parul of list price 40,000, 10% trade discount against check payment. तो सेल करी है गुड्स की. अब हाँ जी निर्ले को आप बताइए. How much will be the amount? 36,000. How 36,000? 10%. 40,000 का 10%, 4,000 minus 36. Okay. So journal entry will be bank account debited to sales account, and amount is 36,000. And now we will write trade discount. Narration में being goods sold at 10% trade discount. Done. Entry number 6. Yes. Okay. 7 number entry. Entry number 7. Cash account debited to sales account. How much now? Very good. 27. Can you tell me the rule? एंट्री नंबर 7 है ना? यस 27 ही आएगा. 10% है. 30,000 का 10% 3,000. 30,000 minus 3,000 27,000. कैश ही तो लिखा है. It is written in the question, it is cash. How come it will be something else? Entry number 7, Aman wali entry. Entry number 8. Entry number 8. This is for Aman. So this was telling, I was telling to them. Entry number 7, I was telling to them. Aman wali entry. Now we are going to do Pawan wali entry. Yes, don't get confused और मुझे भी कर रहे हो. बोलिए. 18,000 cash account debited. Where it is written, it is in cash. So what will be? Okay. Calm down. Pawan account debited to sales account. Okay, Vasu, you find it very easy. Please tell me the rule. What will be there in this journal entry? Then maybe this is half knowledge, and half knowledge is more dangerous, you know? Aditya bete, entry number 9. हाँ जी बताइए आदित्य प्लीज. How much? Why 23,000? It is given. Yes, please sit down. Whenever it is sale ho purchase ho, two amounts are given. So lower amount we will take and we will assume that rest in the trade discount we have received, and we will not show it anywhere. Okay? So entry will be Yamini account debited to sales account, and amount will be lowest of the two. ठीक है? This is just like you are going to a shopkeeper. He says, अब बोलते ये चीज कितने की? मुझे है तो 10,000, आपके लिए सिर्फ 8,000. So what you will write? मेरे को ये चीज 8,000 की मिली because it was of 8,000. He just befooled me by saying it is of 10,000 and given me for 8,000. So that is trade discount which you have received. Next entry, entry number 10. Sold goods costing 10,000 at cost plus 20%, less 10% trade discount. 10,000 plus 20%. Yes. Amount बताना है. 7,000. Cost कितनी है बेटे पहले? 10,000. ऐड करना इसमें प्रॉफिट हाउ मच? 20% कितना आया? टोटल हो गया 12,000. हाउ मच इज द ट्रेड डिस्काउंट? 10%. Remaining amount 10,000. So this is the amount of sale. Yes. Okay. So journal entry will become this working note. I am repeating. It is very important. You are supposed to show. अब सीधा 10,800 लिखेंगे. You will lose your marks. ठीक है? Some marks will be deducted. Okay. So these goods are being sold to Bhupesh. Bhupesh account debited entry number 10. Very good. I believe these entries now all of you know. Yes. Okay. Two sales accounts. Be ready for the test on Monday. 10,800 and 10,800. Next entry number 11. Again, sold goods purchased at list price 50,000. Sold at a profit of 20%, less 10% trade discount. Against check. Yes, Anshul, you want to answer. Working note पहले आप बताएंगे and then was 50,000 was the cost and number 11 का working note. 50,000 was the cost. 25% profit and how much? 12,500. Very good. It is 12,500. Total bill बन गया हमारे पास 62,500 लेस करेंगे ट्रेड डिस्काउंट हाउ मच 6250 माइनस करके बताइए व्हाट विल बी द अमाउंट विल बी 55 to 56,000 new. How you are deducting it wrong? 500 में से 250 या 250 इससे 2 में से 6 किया तो सारी क्लास बैठ के माइनस कर दी वो भी नहीं होगा. Okay, what will be the journal entry now? चेक से रिसीव किया. बैंक अकाउंट एंट्री नंबर 11. बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू sales account. How much? 56 to 50. 56 to 50. Net amount will be written. ठीक है, because it is trade discount. अगर cash discount होता तो हम उसको show भी कर देते. Entry number 12. What will be the amount? Okay, Aman has returned goods which were earlier sold to him. Yes. Sales return account debit to Aman. Okay, very good. Now what is the amount of 9,000? 10,000 minus 10%. Sales return account debited. Okay, इसका rule कौन बताएगा जरा hand raise करिए. Yes. Debit what comes in? Credit the giver. Personal account का rule. Please sit down. Aman is the giver, na? He has given goods to us. Credit the giver. Debit what comes in. So this is all for this question. Question number 14. We are going to do entry number 10 from question number 15. These were the entries which were left from yesterday's class. Journal in the books of Bhushan Agencies is there to be left right and in the heading it is given. Journal in the books of Bhushan Agencies. Entry number 10 says sold goods 30,000 ki against check allowing 2% discount. Now this discount is cash discount. ठीक है, तो अमाउंट आप मेरे को कैलकुलेट करके बताना है. यस, जर्नल एंट्री विल बी बेटे ऐसे सारे बोलोगे रैंडम तो एक की भी नहीं समझ आएगा. बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड डिस्काउंट अलाउड अकाउंट डेबिटेड to sales account and amount will be, let me complete this entry. Yes. Amount will be 30,000. Yes. And discount is 600 and it will be 29,400 and narration will be being goods sold and discount allowed. ठीक है, simply ये लिख लीजिए, that's enough. Rest we will continue tomorrow. Thank you.